YouTube. This is a little story about my puncher jumbo. And I was shopping for a compressor. And then this happened. A little bit about the jumbo I have. It's a Canadian edition. You'll notice that these guns don't have any shroud. The word shroud to the Canadian government is offensive, I guess. We don't have any Donny FL, so what you get is what you get. So I was shopping for a compressor the other day, and well, I don't know what happened. I guess I clicked the wrong button. Okay, now that I found a knife, that one right here. What do we have here? It's an odd shaped compressor. What we have here is the Crowell Arms Puncher Mega Marine in 25 cal. Let's get this sucker out of the box. Actually, we gotta keep rolling here. I gotta see something here. Is it really that good looking, this gun? Don't peek. Woo! Mega Marine in 25. Almost full of air. Again. Terrible lighting here, sorry. She's a beauty. Look at that walnut. Fill probe, bipod adapter. Two mags in 25. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's like Christmas. Okay. You see here it comes almost fully charged. It's got the tiniest little gauge on it. Bipod adapter. The screw's too long. That is going to need a couple threads taken off of it. Crony test. Okay, just got it recharged. Guys, what a hassle I had with this. This fill probe, it came with two fill probes. Sheared the O-rings off of one. The other one didn't work, so I went back to this one. Pushed it in all the way out just a little bit. It's got some sharp edges on it. Anyways. Up to 200 bar. This gauge is tiny. I'm like a half a century old. My eyes aren't too good, but 200 bar. Here we go. Yep, just a little sneak peek. Thanks for watching.